Ça from Tchétcho bien. Minia store na mabano, même be country. Anna bonjour. On te say.
Boko, nyamia demo.
Nyamia dumbibia boko. Ene wakano. Afishapa. Oh, afishapa minia. Ene wakano afishapa. Oyi ni Cotton store. Bibia biwa ken momone suruisa fomisa bibia biwa oh ka Africa for na mba se kan bibia store na chisenka musum ye bia na chisenka eno ase ye ko anim simple we bia ni store ono free ni kro better Africa for aduane na otomo edi no what business ase o bibia bi timu bwana ma waji musika no munye business ni bi wai na munja se de bia o bibia ni store na makojina anim no na chese mudi nkomo na magunu store munja jimi no why
abusuafo mema munyina akwaba ba Freemite family me baba chiro twene Jonas na hyase enti bomoden na tinase from baby a ofree eba na ansa na mekoso no abusua so wo Facebook ya wild anasa ya fast na search Freemite family na bomoden follow ya page no your Facebook groups no so group a edi kan no Freemite family official group ena nia etoso no fans of Freemite family nti ubetimi adjoin ni mienu nyina anase emu baako so wo Instagram so Freemite family ena Twitter for so Freemite family ebusuya mo a motaka se twene Jonas ena akontu baako a otuye ena America baako a okoye ena Oma Ghana for enyaso Oma Ghana for aso enko edidi ena osoria na branti waso camera esino so na odi Ghana empanimfo atem mo a motaka sa no monte Jonas asiye ena munnim baby a ofree ba Jonas enya abrochiri ena o share ni dwumadie na se o da bi owo Ghana nyina no na obo empanimfo no pressure indi Jonas o hyase kra ho Ghana nsa na otu kwan akọ abrochiri anase otu kwan akọ amanone ti abusuya yenhwe ni video baako emra na owo Ghana ebo Ghana empanimfo pressure no na se wi a kakra me woka no me de atoa wo so yenhwe video no
chia obi bia wa se na daji a wo hwe me bia the friend Twene Jonas me executive producer of Royal Jonas Films ene adwuma na o ma se no o ma gu adwuma ni ti zi ayi na so ya ititifi ni atwem frem asa enye yizo da bia me ka se Ghana mpanimfo sabi o ma ye se ton no a o ma dwan ye se ton no a ya na obi wo a na ogima kinye yeti kromu ana o ka no kra na ho ye hi okromu a yeti kromu ana fire for fire ebeka o TV so say kwasi nya ntachi na se Ghana football bi mu sori ana mo ahwiri se kum enye no kre na mfa nkosia enye no kre na anu so yeti ha na Donald Trump beka say Africa we come from the shit hole ena Ghana foi sori ye ene mu ye dede na mfa nkosia na Donald Trump o didi Ghana fo atem abibifo atem na mfa nkosia masa no kwasem no ka o hwe menu mienu Donald Trump ho yeda o yeda Ghana mpanifo ministers ne president and omukọ no ho na onim se de omusu ban sitie entile man ka say we come from shit hole only anatie no eneme dawana juana mkohe news afi menko na menkwati a yese ai parliament atenase agi atum say yema MPs low over $22 million yemfa mom for Kalum na MP be na namfom e wo Ghana ha MP ni driver kra ni watchman practical MP ni watchman ni driver parliament house who could do security for kra ebi wo ka mienu miensa sisifie kwa oh tele da bia me ka se Ghana mpani fu adwen nya adwuma sabi obi ti wa o se ai na kra we omu ade na omu ade masa ade ewi ase o mai be anya mpaibo common sense uko ai develop advanced country uko Germany ai Denmark nomne ai Switzerland de nomne de kaka ho ahun omu president ni omu ministers ni omu MPs baasi mu na omu tena omu ti baasi na kwa adwuma baasi mu na omu tena oh cheze Ghana empanifo na dwenya adwuma sabi nka mo sesika o ya mo kwaji mo fa nkoto hospital best okoto bed nkogu hospital munto nuro munkra no mapapa na ebi mra Ghana munfa bi nyi akwan Ghana ene me say na no na make no me video ba kum road work ewu ya ehia wa ani achewo ya gisika omudi anoma omakocha adi tobu to Ghana ubetwam 30 kura ubetua sika omudi sika ni na no macha adi okola sika tiko kura lanse omudi 15 million more than that kura omudi sika na no macha adi so oko de ka fra brochie ba habo duty ya boso nye duty ketwa o duty just ye take records keka entagu computer so say car say na aba Ghana no ni agi duty over omutimi je ka ba ko duty 500 million omudi sika na no macha adi sabi wote oman na mpanimfo adwen ya adwuma mpanimfo no omonye correct sa no ma we si ya na eba nka oman ya sabi gold diamond manganese bauxite timber resources no kura mintimi nkai ni nyina mo embo petrol wayo yetubu ha enso sabi mpanimfo adwen ya adwuma nti nipa so ya sabi di obedi kura onya so mo koto cars edi ama MPs low na sabi teacher ni a ochira de ma nipa ni hu ade be ye MP da ache no teacher ni na katia 8 million 10 million headmaster na timeje 12 million 13 million MP je more than 80 million oh Ghana ha say MP minister yes money tiala be money to petrol na sabi mi hu de wa mi simputu Ghana mpanifo no kra oh the ono ji highest pay low teacher ni boss me no waje boss me akatia 10 million every day be our car na so odi 20 cedis ka sika ni di obedi obo economics 20 cedis a day boss me 6 million ai obeti ala bill obe highline obeti ya water bill what you say se bi wa kwasa akọ ware nso obebo akọma oh chese enti mu hu nipa mobo na oman no na mo se no chese wait na no ya NDC for so na omu ye de Ghana for ye de NDC for na enye MPP so ba ya wo concert nya concert kro na no mo to aso concert kro na no mu nyina to aso oh enti Ghana mpani for chese obi anya na dwe se o be use nyansa na den tim no aba be ye oman ni ye ana chese concert nko a na ekoso oman mu a ene sabi sinia ye twa didi kakra jiminti ya kofa India fo ene ya ma o abaji TV so afa ene jimi ye sa jiminti ya sa katwi ade ahye o ma no ene o de ase adwuma ni nyina o Ghana ha ena Ghana ni ono promote India ni otini krom ni India ni akofa India fo aba ni ya de convoy Land Cruiser di animu wa ni ya sa abaji enuanu sika ni ya de ama India fo de krom na sabi ya dwen ye adwuma ye wi a ni ya sa TV so any radio say we are creating jobs for the youth. What's yasema we job creation we job creation me say Ghana mpani for sabi me nim se bentwa ne mfa mesabo said na mo ntimi nya ministers ne MP ne president amuso free swear ne mpa obi obetimi aye obi reliable no me ye muti from one concept nko omai sabi chese nkamu ne mo jimi kura no nkamu nya omai ni ye na nkamu niska ne bi nka if you want to feel comfortable and now person who told you try to solve problems. And to try now solve problems at the end of the day no or you get positive results. On the other hand, odi e cheze concept nko a omai no sika asamudi akwan na ayanta chi video amekọhwe o sika no se contractor begia or the oba no say 50 million and a bit near quine now. Omujia no mudimu 15 million na quine. Now I diakani na 35 million or much 35 million 15 million so one fan tomati ya papa and in that quine we ya 2 minutes I charge 1 month 2 months now start it to oh cheze o my hetim empanifo na dwen nya dwuma oh panifo na dwen nya dwuma cheze o dwene ho a nti ase Odine ho anti ase obi timi via akokọ keke ni ageli no 5 years 10 years obi wetimi akohwe man sika he na no yetia na opuni se sika de buo no muhu de omfa nyo yes opuni akohwe sika sei yes we yo mi abedi sika sei yes we abedi sika sei yes we discuss sei kese sika ne da ho sabi jiminti ye beja amana da ho na kwabna ne abefa adi na obi ti baabi sabi ni kuro mo atikura nsuo kuro banu mo nya binum age so nante be 30 minutes and so akoso nsuo di abafi we call these people as Ghana leaders. These people we call them as Ghana leaders. Shekai na me say me mu Ghana panyin bia wa hawo MP president ni ministers me mu ba akokura me buka pentafo mesin fo ni fitafo because I got na school ma we akosia calculus simultaneous equation ni wa we say nyansa we na gutim na ba na untimi apply the knowledge na wa acquire school na you are useless. You are useless, total useless. Sanfo akwa mutikromu na concept nko amasa odie monko gisa loan no fa nkoto cars na mfa nko ye hospital yi na mo yare amonko abuche kosa mo yare na nnua bi aye be brumu Ghana hasi no ye be brumu nnua ma mote ona mo tita mote parliament house ona mo tita mo fuse ya samu odie me pese me kasa pi nyame nka obi a wa benya video bi a share na enko ba bia enko duro mo se o mo se o mo sisa o mo nya o mo se o man sa semfo akwa
semohu enti Jonas starting no it no be today the guy start ebusunya it no be today or sha ase ache ni edi kan Jonas kasa ye mu no krampo no yetimi ehu se okwa abrochire enche ya bia because now make mention of Emra Trump nsem bi echo viral na offer Africa shithole eni ade no nansen ya na sa ensensem no ebaye nti in that video na oka ho asem no credit adanse se okwa abrochire enche ye bia nti wo a osori ana watwe eche ye lobi ede ebutu ti ekura camera eko Times Square se Jonas ka se oba be ye program ti se okọ akwakohwe se no kra na wo chi Jonas a wo de ne phone bebo form ni ade no advise yourself say abrochire enya se okọ abrochire ene echina na wonsa aka enkrata da bi eye process what you say se wona watna ho acha Jonas oba ye ncheye nti sebi memfa ne enkrata asem enkeka nkwasi asem eno ne first thing. Second thing ebusuya enye se bi a Jonas okodru abrochire na oye na dwen se o di Ghana panifo atem. The guy is coming from somewhere. Guy no wa bre wo Ghana ye pa ono akasa nanu mu asem or say Royal Jonas Films utmu say he is into movie making and artist management and all these things. And as I say so bad system na eya Jonas eka ho asem ntia ogina so ededi empanifo atem no. Sa bad system no a collapse the movie industry. Ediebe nti na mekanisa our media houses no they promote foreign movies more than our local movies. Yet Ghana ha ena ye sorry ana ye hwe plagia ye sorry ana ye hwe eye Rosalinda ena Mary Cruz na hwan na ya fa Mexico for ene Philippines for soap opera and series ababetu ye TV so na ye nkwada no hwe instead of promoting our local content no we rather promote foreign content. Ye sorry kra na ya sa afasika extra plane ticket edi ama pragia ne nkofo se omomra Ghana na Ghana for ensa entry enkonkohwe omo TV so a omo ahwe omo nyina no emfono omo ne asa extra plane ticket ama omo se omomra Ghana na Ghana for ensa entry ehun sika enkonkohwe omo. Instead of us to promote our local artists, instead of us to promote our local movies, no, we end up promoting foreign movies and we end up moving all the money from Ghana to invest in people's countries or in people's movie industries. And no can be and ama Ghana movie industry no akofoma Twini Jonas ehon kire na ode anibre edwane free jungle we mo ekobro ni krumu no. Ni etoso bi no ni enti America say government no will contribute to the collapse of the movie or the creative arts industry. Ni say on say movie making no it is not like before. Even in music no it is not like before. Gone are the days na yeah the movies go CD so and the dex so na man for to hwe ni ade say sa de no ase eya ba betwem and ase eya twem. Say Netflix and other online streaming and ewo so. And they say Ghanaian movie producers no say omo wie movie kra na say ebia menka ne say omo de to even YouTube kra mpa yi na ye nimi ya. Esan say yempanimfo ama data bo ayeden. Esan say yempanimfo ama Ghana for entimi ento data nti. Ghana for kra entimi enhwe entimi streaming movies online. and our old system also a term. They say if you want your movies to sell, either you put the movies on Netflix or on YouTube or any other online platform, it bet me a generating some income for you. What you must hear. Ghana for also penning for ama data to aya diama womo. The average Ghanaian find it very difficult to buy common data to watch content online. Unya soni data pe acha or the year call baku mienu a reply WhatsApp message baku mienu pe na wadum ni data because untimi ento data no because data no ebuode because Wi-Fi accessibility no enche da in Ghana sa. Inti obi ye movie kura o Ghana na se auditor online ya onya Ghana for ma omo nkohwe ne content no so no eye Ghana based make can tree na tree language na omo use ye in the movies and I say in the movie na obi a we use tree language a onya Ghana for Ghana for enhwe de na se waboka oh nti ni nyaka ho na ama movie industry no collapse and na Trey Jonas involved in the movie industry nti e collapse ye no sabi kraman or the any brand eka inti na I was say ope kwan bi so e dey edwane free on my way mu say ye nenim say Jonas wa broche no or say music videos any ade eka the content creation no ho what must say so this is a guy who has ideas inti otu kwan free Ghana okodura broche no ka say hey massa e krobini wow say o te Ghana dia wani afra say o te Ghana dia o te ball asopa broni pa krom nie America penny and a fan and so and a born it down and why not say fini grade Ghana penny for hey you say akwada or say on money mame and no bentua empane to that in this Jonas say Ghana penny for armor no enya ahoto Ghana na say edu mra e wo say odwane free Ghana e betina abrochiri sofa dia ene o ma Ghana for eho ento omo da to sorry a no aso camera esi no so na sabi o bashi Ghana for now advice Ghana for na o di Ghana for atem se ne be Ghana mpanifo ebe ye kuro ni ye Ghana mpanifo ebe yusu omo adwen e de SSC kuro no se ne be ya ebe benefit minu mienu enye ono nko a watemase eti se wo mpa Jonas asemo a menti ase ni enti a wo mpa nasem edi enti na wo mpa nasem atenie na atenie no enya hwe mesi ye mpanifo no they deserve all the insults because ye mpanifo na kasa they have insulted us with the citizens several times. Over say how have they insulted us? Mami chire wase yet Ghana ha ena yempeni for they don't even access our health facilities. Yempeni for anase peni bi eyare na isan se omu kura diplomatic passport inti isan se omu car omu access to easy visa any adinti no otwa ne visa puwa na okabro chire na wakwakoje na yaresa Ghana ni die oyare dia on national health insurance enkonko kiu e wo Ghana sa ye health system na ye mpanimfo anyini sa ye health system na ye mpanimfo empeno Ghana ni enkonko to santini enkonkoje ayaresa e wo sa health system bad health system na omo ankasa akriti amaye no nti in effect no omo di atem omo pese omo kire se ye de ye jimi ye de ye nim nyansa ye de nim sese bi abrochire bi wo ho na ye de sorry a enanka omo ma ye life eye better ma ye nyanka the average Ghanaian so yare anko no so betimi dwane akwabrochire no bi se ono so kwakwaji den na yaresa in this case no ye mpanimfo na no they have insulted us several times ye to abama omo a nia ye pese ombeye eboa o man no se ne be ya Ghana for ye be hu enkan ko bi wo ya brabo mu no omo ma me ye sa ade no when they come they bank the monies abroad. They take their families abroad and they better their lives and they buy mansions and what have you. Omo better your country no mayen ya kwan omo NCC yensu enye papa emma ye electricity enye stable or how bebre ena ewo oman no mu omo put in place any proper waste management system bia enti Accra ayefi abroso Kumasi ayefi abroso ena Ghana for sorry na yenya cholera na yenya malaria saa de no say the people also have to contribute now so nenti amemfa blame bebre emma the people ne say where is the proper waste management system in the country senka government making a priority say efie bia mu omo aye baby a odi unwura ebegu na ebia Mondays and Wednesdays and Fridays ebia car ebe fasa unwura no kwa anka I don't think say obi be sorry ahomachi akwakoto ne bola egu gatemu anase ato inwura egu basabasa senka yampanyimfo no e de omo nan AC form nanka omo aba ne pure water any other plastics no nanka ya find a better solution which even I have the solution now you're finding a better solution to, you know, the pure water and the single-use plastics now. And can no crampo no ebe bua ama or mainum aye kama. Yem penny for no ema embrano aye juma force Ghanaians to be disciplined. Ka Ghanaians will not be throwing rubbish about. Ukwa brucha nyesa sabi bruni bia no nim nyansa sao. Abrofo no so sabi ejimi for ne kwasiafo wom. Nanso embrano will force you to do the right thing. Embrano will force even a dog to behave like a human being. They have a working system. That is why the people are forced to behave. So yem penny for no ema system no aye juma anka ebe force Ghana for to behave anka sa iwura any ball la na etwa ye ho ahia no anka sabi ye hu bi e wo Ghana. That is why I blame yem penny for no more. What am I saying? They have insulted us for several years because they take us for granted. Ubia will take you for granted. That person has no respect for you and that person is insulting you indirectly. What am I saying? This is Jonas. Pressure. Jonas has the right to give them pressure. Because Bruni Kunu, the system is working. And I'm more Bruchaya and Amuni Jonas saying, I will try and I then free food be any. You guys are not being sincere. Free food ever abroad now, so the young can say is not for everybody. It is for those who are in need. You can apply for food stamps and all these things. Jonas Eka say free food will abroad. Sa nyoma way and as sa and she we ya or more government at the ato kwan munti na wo jina so ka say free food ever ho. What must say? Eya na bogus no be adebako a ma realizing say obi ho a okwa abroad no omwa obi hada. Ne nkofo friend na ena efia abrochire dio ena ha de enye easy omwa obia enti juma na Jonas edi no akwakwa say Jonas no or expose omo or ma Ghana for say say abrochire brabo no eye na mo sorry amoka kire say na abrochire de na mo ma na ehwe no what must enti eno na eha ebinom a omo empe Jonas asem because say Jonas is exposing the reason why they are being mean or wicked towards their own family back home. What must say that eno crampo no enye good enough excuse ona wutu ukwan oya wadresa umwa obi a sabi obi a nhyɛ se boa obi watomase nti wo de abroche no say e heaven kra na de waduru ho na say untwa wani enhwɛ obi a fair enough sabi Ghana for omugu Ghana they are not dead no matter the condition no matter the hell in which they are living they are still struggling to fend for themselves wahu enti say enunti na wo mpa Jonas asemo dia that you've got a problem me na me come chiro that you've got a serious problem because branch ejuma wo di no me say insult no crampo a mo ka ho asem no crampo. Let us stop the hypocrisy. Yem panimfui they sit on radios and TVs and insult each other. As for etimi etna media mu edidi yem panimfo natem. Mo nka anything about it. Nazia enra ya se ne ya yeso parliamentarians in you look at the drama they are causing in Parliament House. Omo koni ade wa parliament. Yem panimfo nankasa no are people who don't even respect themselves. It is obeying more pressure through insults. That's what through insults, you know. And ubet me again or more attention. Send they will come and listen to his content. Let it be so. You say if persuasion fails, force must be applied. Ya crockery and penny for nature. Ya to sebi and nothing seems to be working. It's about time I say ubi so as no so no dey obey you another means to see say. You bet me for say or more yeah the right thing now. I don't see any reason why a Ghanaian, especially someone living abroad, will be out take glass imu, will be a sebi or want all the opportunities and the chances to make it in life better than somebody in Ghana. Some depend on sorry and I also try as much as possible to bring Jonas down. I am a dream who I'm in Tiasie. What am I saying? I am a dream who I'm in Tiasie. The least we can do is to support the guy. Let us stop with the foot tool na advise him na sabi unya moral and change Jonas. Unim nyansa and change Jonas and asabi ya antetew and change Jonas. Ye na no Ghana had ye free. Ya titi ubia nim say it is within our culture no and say ye kasati ampany enforcer. Now so look, the time has come for us to put that kind of culture aside and tell the painful truth to our leaders. Say if they are fooling now, let us tell them say they are fooling. Omu jimia, yenche omu say omu jimi, let them sit up and do something for the country. Inti enya na in the udin penifo atem we say udin penifo atem so what? And penifo na they don't respect themselves. And penifo na di atem several years and you people because mumu binu madrio for muntino. You are not able to say these people don't take us for anything and these people take us for granted and these people don't respect us. and obi ahwe no amamo pressure mo se monti ase ti ebusua baby a Jonas free ba no yente na se ga no wabre menua wabre is not easy ebi amempo na menya akwena no call America nka I'll do worse than what he's doing what must say ebi amempo na menya akwenya no edit to kwan call Broni Kroma nka I'll do worse than what he's doing it yente na se from the angle where he's coming from or you're frustrated in Ghana and finally we're free hell akwako duemu and as akwako piemu e heaven and say ujina heaven boy and penning for pressure say almost say you crew na send you crew no so be say baby or na the message is justified and the guy is on course. It's as simple as that. It's very simple ebusia. It's very very simple. Nti nyai no na onye na juma yenye mura enche no na ye nim nyansan so enche no enough of the afutu yenye guy no na guy no enko so enye na juma ebia na ono ne kind of approach no crampo na ebetimi asesa Ghana for because the kind of approach no look at the traffic he has been able to pull for himself. Look at the traffic, the audience he has been able to gather for himself because of his kind of approach. What he has said, a kind of approach will help the message to go forward, and a lot of Ghanaians will begin to reason, and the message will be able to get to our leaders. It's as simple as that. Very simple, Ebusia. Tina enwa no. Sani amu nyina amu nim no. Medin the George Freemind. Medemo ebesiha. Have a good evening. Makramo.